this, you have to understand the order of the numbers that we can compare, right? So it will be plus or in the additions, like here. Okay, so we will set like here this the HTO in the columns that we will see that we set the column by column 1, 10, and yes, this will be 100. Okay, so I'm not sure that where this come from. So it should be like this. Is correct or not correct?
No, because 8 plus 3 is 11. And so the 1 has to be here, but normally it would be.
And then that's correct or not correct? Yeah, that is correct. So this depends on the this thing normally we don't use like this, right? So normally we will put in here instead, right? Okay, and then sometimes we plus the plus in here or even in here. Both are fine. It's up to you. Both are fine. Okay, so this is the things that we will follow out that from the right to the left. Okay, for the plus or additions. Okay, for the another things that the method or the additions, this is the part, this is the reordering. That is mean that okay, it's if you have the ABC like this is the mean that reordering. You can see this one is the see like here. Okay, V shit from B to B. Okay, and then A is still the same, so it will be have the reordering when you plus or equal to B and A. Okay, so this is the reordering. Partitioning. Partitioning is mean that you can separate things. Okay, so this means that why we had to understand the value like here, because when we do the partitioning, it may be more easier, maybe or maybe not. I'm not sure. It's up to you. And C, nearly negative. Okay, so sometimes that we calculate like here, and subtractions. I think this is will be passed quite fast. The things in here, this is the repeat. Multiplications is mean plus the things. How many number that you plus? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's will be 5 to be top. Okay, so this is the commutative. It means like A times B. A times B equal to B times A, and associative is mean that you can reordering like this one, A, B, C, or A, B, and C also. So this is we have the column method to make you easy, or even sometimes this will be the harder one. We count when we index, right? So here this will be index, or in the next step we will use to be study exponentials function in here in the next. This is the next step. So what we count? We count. This is the plus, right? How many numbers that they plus? So this one is how many number for the power. How many number that they have 1, 2, power 2. Okay, this one 1, 2, 3. So it will be power 2. So this is the square and the cube that they mentioned for. Okay, so when we have like the next, this is quite the harder thing, or the basic operation that I quite hate is the divisions. Okay, because the division sometimes is not easy like this, because this one is no remainder. But when they have the remainder, is the R here for the short divisions, but normally I do long divisions for you. but actually they have here. How we write down squid back. Let's see. How we write down to the fraction 5, 4, 7 divide with 23, right? And then we got R, right? So we got this here is 23 R 18. What we have to write down 2, 3, and remainder here it should be 18 over. Ta-da! Over 23. That should be equal to 547 over 23. How we do that? When we use the calculator, please beware also. Okay, let's see the basic calculator. Not basic actually. The decimal calculator. Okay, 23. You cannot time, but you have to plus. And 18 over 23. So we divide to fractions like this. So this is the things that we have to understand also. That how we can type it in the sections that we understand. And also, when we got here to be the decimal, so we divide also to be the decimal. So it depends on how many digits of the decimal that they would like to have. Okay. So in the future, you ever allowed to use this also in the future. So let's see that how do you understand it here.